If you have a full-time job, never ever look for another full-time job. Like you work in the morning and you work at night. Actually guys, I am doing that before then. Like ma-overwhelm ka talaga sa dami, sobrang dami ng trabaho. Like, hindi mo na alam kung anong uunahin mo, hindi mo na alam kung kaya mo pa ba. Like, halos 24 hours ka na nag-work. So, actually, I'm doing that before. Right now, I have a more flexible time to work. I can work anytime. I can work kahit anong oras ko gusto eh. So, instead of applying for another full-time job, what if you will offer your skills as a services and you do a white label business? Like if you're a website developer, if you're a VA, like offer it as a services, like a white label service, especially in the web development industry. So if you want to learn more on how to do that, like what I'm currently doing right now, just let me know. Comment on the comment section below and let's talk about it.